Gavin at Audio Boffins. So today we are doing an unboxing of the Bassface Indy A8 4-ohm subwoofer. It's a 200 watts RMS subwoofer, and it is a single voice coil. It has a 4-layer round wire voice coil, which this sub for less than 38 quid, I think it is absolutely great, really. It's a great entry level sub, great for small enclosures, sealed or ported. Let's get that out of the way. Of course, it's never going to win SBL records, but I reckon you could put 400 or 500 RMS through it at a burp, and it'll make plenty of noise. Obviously, at a glance, I don't think anyone really could complain for the price. The terminal's good quality. They've gone the extra mile on this little baby woofer. We started working with Bassface many years ago. We were one of the first, and of course, they've come a long way. They've got some big monster amplifiers now, 15 kilowatt, 15,000 RMS, whatever you want to call it. Some big monster woofers, and they've got everything from your entry level to your SQ products. So if you want to check them out, go to bassfacecaraudio.co.uk or of course audioboffins.com.